Bradders has got himself a new toy. Man's just been on Amazon, got myself a lovely air fryer. I've never used one before. Very simple. Plug it in, turn the nozzle, temperature timer, go. So I thought the best thing to try in my brand new air fryer would be tin potatoes. I've tried three potatoes already, and I'll tell you what, it is worth the wait. Trust me, this video is going to be the nuts. You're going to see these potatoes and they're going to be next level. A cheat's way of making an orgasmic, I'm going to go there, an orgasmic roast potato. Tin potatoes, whatever they cost. Cal, how much them potatoes cost in a tin?
Well, they're expensive then, mate.
How much? Oh, so these ones are £1 each, but you can buy them cheaper, I believe, for about 40p. Look, little drizzle of oil, not too much, little drizzle of oil. Flop them about, coat them, lovely jubbly. Then we're going to go in with some garlic granules, sprinkle that over, nice. And then we've got some rosemary as well, spoonful of that, nice. Shake. Look at them bad boys. Cheat's way of making the perfect roast potato. Straight into my air fryer. Thank you very much. There you go. In they go, set at 180, turn the time around. We're going to go in for 20 minutes. Come back and see me. You will not be disappointed. Just a little time check there. About 5 minutes left. Sneak peek. Nah. We are ready. Look at them bad boys. Come on. You can hear them, can't you? Crispy. That is all a little bit of oil as well, look. Hardly anything. You can see how clean that is. Just needs a wipe down. Tin potatoes turn into magical little roasties. Garlic and rosemary. I'm missing some salt. I don't have no salt, unfortunately. And I'm going to leave them over here to cool down for the minute, because they're going to be roasting hot. Mind the pun there, because they're roast potatoes roasting hot. And I'm going to take them up to the girls upstairs and see what they fancy about them. But there you go. Beautiful roast potatoes, done in the air fryer, out of a tin. We go up the long flight of stairs with gifts in hand. Here we go. They're working away. There's the girls over there. Hello, girl 1, 2 and 3.
Hello.
Come on.
Give it to the gannet first.
I'm having a little one.
Come on.
He will eat anything like that.
Sammy.
They're off.
Air fryer roasties. 20 minutes, straight out of a tin. Little bit of garlic, little bit of rosemary. There's no salt. It's missing a little bit of salt. I ain't gonna lie.
They're decent.
Not bad.
Mate.
Not bad.
Out of a tin.
In the air fryer.
In the air fryer.
Because they're boring plain normally.
Yes, Calvin, they are. Well done, mate. Because they're boring plain normally. That's why we put flavours on. We put flavours on food because it's boring normally. Do you understand?
You don't want it to be boring plain. Chicken's boring.
Yeah, chicken is boring. You got to flavour it, bro. That's why the Colonel does so well. Because the man's got a secret recipe. There you go. Well, I'm going to go and finish these off downstairs with a nice bottle of lime water.